Hello and welcome to Kerala to Dollars. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful YouTube tools in 2025, vidIQ. Whether you're just starting a channel or struggling to grow, vidIQ gives you a smart AI-powered way to succeed. Magnifying glass. What is vidIQ? vidIQ is an AI tool that helps you find the best titles, keywords, and topics to boost your YouTube channel visibility. It's trusted by millions of creators globally. Star key features. 1. AI title generator. Generate high-converting titles instantly. 2. Keyword explorer. Find what people are actually searching for. 3. Competitor analysis. See what works for similar channels. 4. SEO scorecard. Improve your videos with real-time feedback. 5. Daily video ideas. Get daily suggestions for your niche. Hammer and wrench. How to start. Step 1. Go to vidIQ.com and sign up. Step 2. Install the Chrome extension. Step 3. Connect your YouTube channel. Step 4. Explore the vidIQ sidebar while uploading videos. Even with the free version, you can boost your video performance. Light bulb. Why use vidIQ in 2025? Greater than competition on YouTube is high. With vidIQ's AI insights, low competition keywords, and SEO assistant, your channel can grow faster and smarter, even from Kerala. Linked bio description. Comment pin. Greater than. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kerala to Dollars for more tech tools, blogging guides, and earning tips from home.